Welcome to another video. In this system of algebra, provided that the condition of a comma b is a member of positive integer, so let's see how to find the value of a and which the value of a must be positive integer. So we know the expansion of this ab minus 7 all raised to the power 2 becomes ab raised to the power of 2 minus, minus, if you try to expand this, so we're going to get negative 14ab and plus 49 equals to a square plus b square. So the expansion of ab minus 7 square is this. And what I want to do is I want to apply one identity, but so to make this thing happen, so if I try to add 2ab to both sides, so we have ab square minus 14ab plus 49. Then so by adding 2ab to both sides, so here becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this a square plus b square plus 2ab, so is a plus b raised to the power of 2. That is, I'm going to do the replacement. Instead of all this, I will replace it with a plus b all raised to the power 2. And for this, we have ab all raised to the power 2. So minus 14ab plus 2ab is negative 12ab plus 49 equals to, so all this becomes a plus b raised to the power of 2. Then here again, so I still want to apply another identity here. What I'm going to do here is, if I break this 49 into, we have ab square minus 12ab plus, so breaking this into one perfect square and one prime number, so which is 36 plus 13 equals to a plus b raised to the power of 2. And we should know that all these to 36, so we can contract it to ab minus 6 all raised to the power of 2. So if we expand this, we get it, and transferring 13 to both sides, we have a plus b raised to the power of 2 negative 13. Again, if I transfer a plus b raised to the power 2 to the left hand side, so here becomes ab minus 6 raised to the power of 2 minus a plus b raised to the power of 2, everything equals to negative 13. Then, so this is a difference of a 2 square, so just like x square minus y square, so which becomes x minus y x plus y. So applying it, we have ab minus plus, and we have a plus b raised to the power of a plus b rather, so we have applied the difference of a 2 square. Then for the second one, we have, so ab minus 6 minus bracket a plus b bracket, and this equals to negative 13. So that is the difference of the 2 square applied. So if we try to open the bracket, the internal bracket, we have ab minus 6 plus, here is a plus b bracket, open bracket again. So here becomes ab minus 6. Now why this is negative a negative b? Because of the negative outside, everything equals to negative 13. Then at this stage, so it means that these two, if we multiply it together, so it must give us negative 13, and here are the possible values. So if I take the first one as 13 and the second one as negative 1, so if we multiply this, it's going to be negative 13. And also, if this is negative 13, this is 1, so which means it still hold. So while another possible value for this is, if this is 1, so this is going to be negative 13. So while the last one is, if this is negative 1, so that one is going to be plus 13. But here, if we start uh, iterating all these values, so it might consume a lot of time. So I've tested for it and I've concluded that 13 and negative 1 will suit our taste. So according to what you asked to find, because we are looking for the positive integer, not negative. So that's why I'm going for the first one. But let's see how we are going to get the values. So if I let AB minus, so if I do the arrangement, we have plus A plus B minus 6. So let's let this one to be equals to 13. And while for the second one, which is going to be negative 1, so we have AB minus A minus B minus 6. This equals to minus 1. Then, so let's say I add all this together. So these two will go and AB becomes 2AB. So negative 6 is negative 12 and equals to 30 minus 1, that is 12. So then, so the entire of this one becomes AB equals to 12. So I call this one equation 1. Then let's try to subtract this same equation again. So by doing this, AB will go and 6 will also go. Then the negative in the A and B becomes positive. Then we are going to add AA and BB together. So that one becomes 2A plus 2B equals to, why this negative will also affect this one and become plus. So why this 13 plus 1 is 14. And we can also reduce this into A plus B equals to 7. And if this is equation 1, so let's bring out equation 1 here, which is AB equals to 12. So trying to be solving this again might consume time. So, but we can check clearly that, so if value of A equals to 2, I always say 3, so B equals to 4, that is A plus B, that is 7. So, and if value of A equals to B equals to 4 at the same time, B becomes 3. So which means there are two possible values to get for that. Either we have 3 comma 4 as coordinates, or we have 4 comma 3 as coordinates. So we got these two values based on this assumption on this condition, which is the positive integer. So if there is no condition there, so we can start checking for all other values. This is how to solve this problem. If you have another better way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box and we can check for all these to verify that they are not going to satisfy the conditions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Never stop learning.